Namaste. This video series I think is doing very well. We are receiving a lot of comments, lot of emails, questions from many of you. I have been answering as many as I can, emails and also by WhatsApp, and even in the YouTube channel also there are comments. So keep writing. I would like to know how you feel about this video series. I hope it is useful to many people. Now in today's episode I am going to talk about what we call the cell memory. What is the cell memory? Science tells us today that whatever happens to us in life, whether it's a small incident or a big incident, everything goes into our cell memory as imprints. And generally this is what we call as our karma. Whatever good or bad we have done either in this life or previous lives, the whole thing is what we call the karma. But today science has given the name cell memory. Our cells are holding the memory of everything that has happened in our life. Sometimes this cell memory can also become a hurdle in manifesting goals. You may be surprised to hear this, but let me elaborate with an example. This is about an elderly gentleman who attended our basic class many years back. So when he came for the class in the morning, he met me and he said, I am a practicing advocate, I am 63 years old. That was long back, of course. And he said, can we manifest everything with alpha? I said, that's what I believe and that's what I teach. So you please learn and try. So he attended the class, and in that basic class called alpha meditation, I teach how to visualize your goals and manifest them, how to talk to somebody's subconscious mind, and also for health, how you can heal yourself or others. Everything comes in that class. So he attended that class, and in the evening he was so happy. He came and said, I know I can manifest all my goals. You've given me so many inputs. He's looking so bright, and he went away. After about 3 or 4 months, when I went back to the same city, he came and met me and he said, wonderful, alpha is excellent, it's wonderful. I have manifested so many goals with alpha. He says, I practice every day and I really enjoy the meditation. And he said, in my court, many of my cases which I thought I may not win also, I have been able to win with the help of alpha by visualizing. He was very happy, ecstatic actually. Then he said, you know ma'am, but there's one goal which is not manifesting and I wanted to talk to you about that. That one goal is very important for me, but it's not manifesting. I'm doing everything, all the meditation, everything I'm doing. I said, what is it? He said, he's been married for about 35 years, he said. And he said, in all these 35 years, we have been only fighting. My wife and I have been fighting. He says, we will quarrel, have a big fight, and then we'll make up, again quarrel, again make up. It's been going on throughout. They have 2 sons who are grown up, they're married and they're settled in other cities. So it's only he and his wife here. He said, a few months back, we had a big quarrel for something, and she got so angry that she left me and she went to some relative's house. He says, I tried my best to talk to her to get her back, but she's just not even willing to pick up my call. So he said, it became so difficult for me. He says, all the housework, you know, the cooking, the puja, the cleaning of the house, even when the servant maid comes, getting the work done, and all before going to the court, he said, it's really becoming too much. I'm not able to manage at all. So I want her to come back somehow or the other. And that was the stage when I attended your class. And he said, I learnt all the techniques. I started using all the techniques for her, but somehow nothing happened. She's not budging at all. Then I asked him, what are you doing? How do you meditate? Then he said, I sit down, I go to alpha level, I shower all the colors on her as you taught in the class. Then he said, I talk to her subconscious mind and tell her, please come back. It will be so good if you can come back. We can live peacefully and all that I talk. And all that he said with a lot of enthusiasm. He said, I shower colors, I talk to a subconscious mind, everything very well. And then finally he said, then you asked us to visualize that the goal has manifested. So then I tried to visualize that she's come back home, and that's where he stopped. He became silent. I said, what happened? He said, that is where there is a problem. I said, what problem? He said, when I visualize that she's come back home, then you know my mind brings back all the quarrels that we had, and my mind says, oh my God, again you will start all the quarreling. So do you really want her to come back? And then you know I find it a little bit difficult to visualize that she has come back home. So how do I do it? So that was the problem. If you think about it, he was able to shower colors on her, he was able to talk to her subconscious mind. Till then there was no problem. But the moment he visualizes that she is back home, then all the imprints of all the quarrels that they've had in the 35 years, which is there in the cell memory, all those imprints start screaming, and they say, oh my God, once she comes back, again the quarreling will start, the fighting will start. Do you really want it? So he said, there is a conflict there, there is a kind of resistance I am not able to visualize. So then I told him, see, if you really want to manifest this goal, you need to go beyond that resistance. You need to clear it from your own mind. Now you are aware that that is the problem. So that is the cell memory. The cell memory, many times I have seen, sometimes husband and wife, they come for marital counseling, and for both of them, it is not what happened on that day. Both of them hold in their minds whatever has happened in the last 10 years or 20 years or 30 years or 2 years or 1 year or whatever since they got married. It is not only husband and wife. Whenever we talk to any human being, we do not go by what happens on that day only. It is everything that has happened between that person and you in the past. It could be any number of years or it could be a few months. But you hold everything in your mind, and that influences how you behave with that person. So when it comes to goals also, the cell memory holds all the imprints of whatever has happened between you and that person. And sometimes that cell memory may not really want to manifest the goal which you are trying to manifest. So you need to talk to yourself, and you need to convince your subconscious mind that this is what I want, and visualize it very clearly. Once you start doing that, then it will be possible to manifest the goal. So that way, examine yourself, see whether your subconscious mind is holding something like this, whether your cell memory is holding certain imprints which may not allow you to manifest your goal, and remove them from the mind, dissolve them from the mind, and manifest your goals. With this, this is our 15th episode in this video series. With this, I am bringing this to an end, like we are closing it here, stopping here, because 15 episodes I have done, and in each episode I have given a different example, a different cause or different reason which can be a hurdle which does not allow you to manifest your goal. So I am sure it has been very helpful to many people. From what we are seeing, yes it is, but I would like you to continue to write your comments, continue to write your questions, because in the forthcoming videos, if there is any particular question from one of you which would be very useful to everybody else, I will definitely take it up and answer that question. So that way we can keep in touch and we can help each other to live a better life, to manifest all the goals. So I wish you all the very best to manifest all your goals and live a much better life. Thank you for watching our series. We will keep in touch. Namaste.